Osborne High School during one of our first meal pickups for kits for students and families. And really this is all about how Food Nutrition Services is helping to fuel student success. We're providing those meals so that our students can go home and be effective during their remote learning process. In order to get meals each week, families do need to pre-order, and to pre-order they need to go through our My Payments Plus either app or the mypaymentsplus.com based on what you qualify for during the normal school year. So if you are on free meals during the school year, it will cost you nothing. If you're on reduced price meals, it's $3.50 for the week's worth of meals, and that's 5 breakfasts and 5 lunches each week. And then full paid students will pay $23.99 for that same kit of food. Another request we started getting pretty early on was, well, I've got a 4-year-old at home who really wants to get what older brother and sister are getting. So we've now created a non-student kit that parents can buy for those other children in their household to be able to offer them the exact same meals they're offering the rest of their children. One of the great benefits of this meal kit is it makes meal planning at home super easy. It lays out the menu for the week, gives you heating instructions, and we've gotten great feedback from families. You know, those moms who are just tired of trying to figure out what's for lunch. So now they don't have to think about it. They get their kit, it's all laid out for the week for their children. I'm also super excited to announce coming soon, we have family dinner. What it's going to be is an opportunity for families to pre-order a dinner for 4 to 6 people. They will pick up as part of the meal kit pickup process, and all they have to do is take it home, put it in the oven, and dinner is ready. So if you haven't taken the opportunity to order yet, please do so. If you don't know what to do or you need help, call your local school cafeteria, or you can call the Food Nutrition Services office, and we will happily walk you through the process to get you started.